Check this out, while the Toyota Aygo was parked up, some fool was speeding and knocked off the side mirror. Looks like I can't get this fixed and I will need a replacement. I believe it's not worth it going through the insurance companies because of the excess you have to pay, and obviously you're making a claim which may affect your future premiums. So I've been calling up different scrapyards and auto spare shops, and the average price for a wing mirror on the Toyota Aygo was £50, and you'll be lucky enough to get it in the same colour you want. And guess what guys, I've managed to find a driver side wing mirror, and I'm pleased that I found it in the same colour. While installing, you have to pop this panel out with a flat screwdriver to access the bolts. And also pop out a bit of the side door plastic panel to access the electrical port. You don't need an electrician to do this, as you can do this yourself. You got the bolts here that needs removing, which hangs up the side mirror. Undo them with a socket wrench. There is an electrical port in the side plastic door panel. Just unplug that wire which is connected to your wing mirror. So now get rid of the broken wing and install the replacement one. Plug in the electrical wire first. Turn on your car and see if the mirror adjustments are working. Screw back everything back in again and you're good to go. You can find car parts in the scrapyard, or just type in your car including the word braking on eBay, Facebook Marketplace or Gumtree, and you will see many vehicle owners who are selling car parts. Now guys, there are many crazy drivers out there, and I think I need to remind myself and others to tuck your mirrors in. Drive safe, peace.